Hello everyone, welcome back to IGCSE 5-minute Python coding. Today we're going to write a program to check whether a string or a number is palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome number basically? Palindrome string or a number is the same as it is forward as it's backward. This example is 1221. Now if you take it backwards, it's still 1221. So it is a palindrome number. Similarly, ABA. If you spell it backwards, it's a palindrome, ABA. So they're similar. Now for example, you take 123. Backwards, it's 321. So it's not a palindrome. These are few examples. Now let's get started with the code. So firstly, we'll input X as string data type. Then input statement. We'll prompt the user to enter the data. Then if, this is the condition for checking. If x double equals to means we are checking. If the reverse and the forward string are the same, this is the code for the reverse string. Then print x is palindrome. Else you can print it's not a palindrome. We have some indentation error. So let's input example 121. So it is a palindrome. Supposedly ABBA is a palindrome. Now if you say apple is not a palindrome. So hope you understood the program and hope it will help you. Thank you.